Hello everyone. I hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to discuss about accounting basics. Raise your hand if you have ever said, I'm good with money, and then checked your bank account immediately and regretted it. Yeah, that's exactly why accounting exists. And that's exactly why you need to learn it. Welcome back. And if you are new here, you picked the perfect video to start with. So let's begin. Let me paint you a picture. You start a chai stall. Business is on fire. Good business. You're selling 300 cups a day. People love you. You feel like a CEO. Then end of the month hits. You check your pockets. It's just 200 rupees. That's it. Where did the money go? You have no idea at all. You're rich in chai, broken in life. That's right there in business without accounting. It is a business. Now, here's the official definition straight from your CA Foundation. As per the American Accounting Association says, accounting is the art of identifying, measuring, recording, and communicating information so users can make smart decisions. So let's break them one by one. What is identifying? Spotting a transaction, financial transaction. That is identifying. Measuring, quantifying, slapping a rupee value on it. How much? 5,000 or 500? That's measured. Recording, actually writing it down. And communicating is presenting it to the shareholders, stakeholders, investors, basically anyone who has the audacity to ask. So, how's the business doing? Say. So, accounting is not just numbers on a page, it is a language of every business on this planet, and you're about to become fluent. Next, we will move on to bookkeeping and accounting. You might have heard this term often, and you might have also gotten confused. Let's see what it is. This question loves to show up in CA Foundation exam like an uninvited relative every single time. So here's how you have to remember it forever. So what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is nothing but I'm telling something and you're just writing down. I'm writing something, you're just copying it. That's it. It's like taking notes in class, mechanical routine, just writing it down what happened, no thinking is required. And what is accounting? It is one step ahead. Accounting is actually studying those notes, analyzing it, understanding it, and acing an exam, preparing transactions, entering the journaling, and everything. So, bookkeeping is where the data is born. You just record it. Data is born here. Whereas accounting is the data comes alive. You're going to need both, right? So, but accounting is the upgrade. Bookkeeping is just the basic recording of data. I hope you're very clear with this. Why do we need this accounting? Anyone can tell me? So, as per your ICI syllabus, there are 5 reasons. Let's move into them one by one. One is systematic records. No more saying, I think we made good money last month. No guessing, no chaos, no assumptions. Let's extract the report and see where we stand today. Position. It protects the assets of the business. Know exactly what you own so things don't quite walk away. Profit or loss? Are you winning or quietly bleeding money? Truth over optimism. Actual reality. Financial position. What do you own? What do you owe? What's your complete financial report? And information for stakeholders like owners, bankers, they all would want to know government. How much is the financial position of the business and etc. How well the company is performing. So these are the 5 factors why we need accounting. So who uses these accountings? You might think accounting is only for CA sitting in a glass offices wearing blazers. Wrong. It's used by internal users as well as external users. So, who are these internal and external users? Internal users are basically the owners or the managers who use it daily. Can we afford new equipment? Should we hire more people? Are we actually profitable or just optimistic? They need it for decision making. And external users like banks, investors, governments, employees. Why banks? Banks decides if you deserve a loan or not based on financial performance. Investors decide if you deserve their trust. Government decides how much tax you owe. Even employee check if the company they are joining is financially stable because nobody wants to join a sinking ship with a good LinkedIn description, right? All of us want to be stable. Accounting speaks for everyone because money touches everyone, as simple as that. So, what are the three branches of accounting? Financial accounting, management accounting, and cost accounting. These are the three branches of accounting. What is financial recording? Records the past, balance and prepares the balance sheet, P&L accounting. This is literally the CA Foundation paper one is all about. Financial data recording, preparing balance sheet, cash flow statements, P&L, etc. What is management accounting? It is basically forecasting. Next 6 months ka prediction they do. What could go wrong? What would go right? And they analyze and see where their business will go, how tall it will stand, etc. Cost accounting tracks every rupee spent in production. Where did the money go? Can we spend less? Manufacturing businesses live by this. This is mostly used in manufacturing business, cost accounting. Next, we will move on to the golden rule, golden equation. Tattoo this on your brain. Assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Asset is what you owe, liabilities is what you have to pay, and capital is what money you have invested or truly yours. Got my point? For example, give me 1 minute. Let's take one example. Suppose you had cash of 500 rupees. 500. You, what do you do with this cash? You buy an asset of 700. So asset comes into your business. You invest this cash. This was your personal cash. You start a business. And 200 balance. So asset worth is 700. You have cash of 500. 200 is nothing but a liability. You say that you will pay to the vendor after 2 months. It's your liability. Got my point? So how will this work in a golden equation? Asset is equal to liability plus capital, right? So what is the asset? 500 has already gone. 500 has moved from cash asset to investment. So capital it has become. It has moved to investment. So what is your asset? Asset is 700. 700 rupees is your asset. What is your liability? 200 rupees, right? And capital, what you have invested is 500 rupees. I hope you got this point. I will deep dive into it in the further upcoming videos. If you have not understood it, don't worry, I will take this session separately. Just wanted to let you know this golden equation, that is asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. Asset is what you own and liabilities is what you owe and capital is what truly is yours. Every journal entry, every ledger, every balance sheet you will ever prepare exists to keep this one equation balanced. Very important equation. We are going to go much deeper into this in the upcoming videos. Don't worry. And then here's the thing that nobody tells you when you crack open your CA Foundation book for the first time. Accounting isn't about memorizing debits and credits and praying for the best. It's about learning to read the story money tells. Every business from your neighborhood chai stall to a $1 billion company runs on this one skill. And today You took your first step, right? Here's what I want you to remember. Great CAs aren't born, they are built, one concept at a time. You're already building. If this video gave you that clarity, share it with your fellow CA friends. They need this too. And subscribe because next up, we are deep diving into accounting concepts, principles, and conventions, the rules that make the entire accounting world go around. See you in the next one.